It actually goes okay, really. It's got brake on it as well. So when you go forward, you stop. Then you go tap it twice to reverse. Fully proportional throttle and steering. Okay, let's do a quick unboxing for you. For 12 milliamp lithium ion battery, you got a 5-wire steering servo, you got differential gears and pinions, by the way they are plastic, and you got a 380 brushed motor. So I've got the HS 18323, which is that one there. It tells you here you get ball bearings. It's not throughout ball bearings. You actually get bushings on a hub carriers, and you get ball bearings on the bulkheads. So in the box you get your truck, quite nice looking really. Independent suspension, got body clips, you got your USB charger, you got your controller, which takes 3 AA batteries, and you got a user manual, which is nice glossy pages, very clear instructions, and you got all the parts number, all the parts you can get for it, which is pretty good really for something this cheap. The battery itself goes underneath it, there's a screw to be removed, and you get 4 body clips on here. Just pop those out and give a quick view on the inside. As everything is nicely covered, you also get a metal drive shaft, and the gears on that is plastic. I'm going to put up some detailed photos because I've taken this thing apart to actually see what's inside. I have waterproofed the ESA with some conformal coating. So yeah, it's ready to run. If you look on like Banggood website, it does actually show you with lights on there. It doesn't come with lights on there. there is nowhere to actually plug any lights on the board.